With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hey guys, so the question given to us here is, two vertical poles of height 10 meter and 40 meters stand apart on a horizontal plane. The height in meters of the point of intersection of the line joining top of each pole to the foot of other formed from this horizontal plane is. Okay, so these are the options. So let's draw the figure of this question. Okay, so let's suppose this is the horizontal plane and this is the height of first pole and this is the second pole. Okay, so and the line joining these are the line joining the top of one pole to the base of other are these. Okay, now we are given that the height of this pole is 10 meters and height of this pole is 40 meters. Let's name them A, B, C and D, and also let's drop this perpendicular from this point of intersection. Okay, so this point of intersection, let's name this is E. So let's draw perpendicular to this horizontal plane, that is, let's name this F. Okay, so EF is the perpendicular. Now all of these are perpendicular lines, AB, FE and CD. Therefore we can say that AB, this is parallel to FE and this is parallel to CD. Okay, so now if we see in this triangle ABC, okay, in triangle ABC we have this AB is parallel to FE. We have AB is parallel to FE. Therefore here we can apply the basic proportionality theorem. So by BPT we can say that this AB by AC, we can say that this AB by AC, this is equals to, in this triangle, FE by FC, FE by FC. So let's call this height as A, this FE height that we have to find out. Let's say this is A. So this AB's value is 40 by AC. This is equals to A by this FC. So from here we can calculate the value of AC. So AC will be equals to 40 times of FC divided by A. Let's say this is our equation number 1. Okay, and now let us look at the other triangle, that is ADC. Okay, so the other triangle is triangle ADC. Triangle ADC, we have this FE is parallel to CD. We have this FE is parallel to CD. Therefore here in this triangle we can also apply the basic proportionality theorem, and by basic proportionality theorem, by BPT, we can say that this AC by CD, this AC by CD, this will be equals to in this triangle AF by FE. This will be equals to AF by FE. So the value of CD is given equals to 10. So therefore this will become AC by 10 equals to AF. The value of AF from here we can say that it is AC minus FC. Okay, so we'll write this here, AC minus FC, and the value of EF, that is equals to A. Okay, so let's just simplify this equation here. This will be we can write this as AC by 10. This is equals to, sorry, we'll write this AC and we'll take this 10 here. This will be 10 times of AC by A minus 10 times of FC, 10 times of FC by A. Okay, so let's say this is equation number 2. So we can put the value of this AC, that is 40 FC by A, in equation number 2. So from equation number 2 and 1, from 1 and 2 we get, okay, we get this AC, that is 40 FC by A. This will be equals to 10 of 40 FC by A divided by A minus 10 times of FC by A. Okay, so we will take this minus 10 here, so this will be 50 FC. 50 FC by A, this will be equals to, this will be 400 FC by A square. So this A and this A square square cut off, FC cut off, and we have this then we get this A equals to 400 by 50. Okay, this is 50. So we get our A, that is the length of FE. So FE equals to A equals to 8 meters, that is the height of the point of intersection. So let's see which option it is correct. So let me highlight this answer, that is F equals to A equals to 8 meters. So the answer here is option number 1, that is the correct option, 8. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.